Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add music to Instagram posts. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, search, reels, and lastly, right here you're gonna find your profile page. So right now, if you're having this problem, first of all, go ahead and check your internet connection. So make sure that you are connected to a good internet. If you're already connected to a good internet and you still have this problem, then go ahead and leave Instagram and then go to the Play Store or App Store, depending on which phone you have. And then once you do that, you're going to be here in this homepage. So once you're here, go to the search section. And then once you're here in the search section, go ahead and click on the search bar and search for Instagram. Once you do that, go ahead and click on Instagram. And then you're going to be right here in this page. So basically, guys, once you're here in this page, you're going to find two options: uninstall and also open. So right now, if you have the instead of open update, go ahead and click on update because it means that you're not up to date and you don't have the latest version of Instagram. So make sure you update your application, wait for the update to finish, and then once you have open available, go ahead and click on it, and then this will take you back to Instagram and it should be working fine. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.